Hello everyone, I'm Isaac Ajawa. I want to show to us, demonstrate how we make use of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP to search for values in Excel spreadsheet. First of all, I want to explain to us what is VLOOKUP and what is HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP are Excel functions used to search for specific information within a table or range of cells and retrieve corresponding data. That is why we go through using this method. This is syntax. The VLOOKUP we see inside here is the value, VLOOKUP value. That is where we want to search for maybe what we want to look for in that particular column. And the first thing we should know that whatever thing we are looking for should be in the first column. So table array, this is the syntax, the second thing we're going to put inside. The range of cells that contain data and the first column must contain the local value. I give an example. So column index number here is the column number in the table for which to retrieve the data. Then the range lookup is optional, but when we leave it untouched, it is true that we are saying that it is true. What does it mean? It means approximate match. You are looking for approximate match when you pick true. That's when you don't check it, when you don't write true. But if you write false, many of us will prefer writing false because we are looking for exact match. So this is an example. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup, when you have your data arranged column wise, where you have your the fields, the column names, arrange in columns. But when it is horizontal, we call it HLOOKUP, or Excel has these two functions. What difference between this is just where we have a column index number, we are going to use row index number. So the value we want to look for must be in the first row instead of first column. Those are the major difference. Then we have another one called XLOOKUP. That one is found in Office 365, which I'm not going to cover in this video. So let's go to the work. I want to make use of a particular data on US census. Now, assuming I want to look for haste. One thing with this Excel function is that it makes us have easy access to a particular value or an information we are looking for in a range of cells or in a table. If it's table is voluminous, rather than looking for it manually, we just devise a method, and all these methods are plenty. There are many in Excel. One of them is this VLOOKUP I'm talking about. Now, for example, now the first column contains state in America. Assuming I want to now see, okay, how many what is the population of urban, for example, urban population in California. So I'm going to type state here. State are here. Say state for, let me put it here. State. What I'm looking for will be this is the population. Or I can just use the same color. State and the population of urban. Here. If the student's result, you can also do it. You can use machine number to look for their scores. Now here, I'm interested in California now. For example, California is where I'm picking. Now, this is where I'm going to write the formula for Excel. Let's put it here. Equal to VLOOKUP. You can see VLOOKUP coming up. That's what I'm talking about. So VLOOKUP value, which I will define, table array, column index number, range, lookup. So yeah, the first one here is the lookup value we are looking for is California. So the California, which is under O, this is the cell number is O3. So I can put O3. Then comma the table array, that is the table that contains the information. Just click this, Ctrl Shift, cursor, then down to cover it. Then we need to now, okay, now the column index number. The column index number, what we are looking for, this population of urban area. So that is on column what? You need to know the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is column 9. Then the last one there is the range of the lookup. The range. You see, it's another true. If you leave it unchecked, if you don't write anything there, it's going to pick. True is up, guys. It's even here. True is approximate match. False is exact. I want exact match. I don't want approximate match because California is what I'm looking for anywhere. So I prefer using false. I close the bracket and I enter it. You can see the result has come. California, what is the population of about 216? You can see the beauty of this is that I can pick another one. I can pick Florida. Florida will also give me. So I enter here. Florida. I check for Florida. Let's change it. So it does. Once you put it there, I can also look for anyone again. Alaska. Let's change it. So it depends on what you want to do. Now if I want to change this from this and I pick another one, another column, maybe marriage now. Marriage. If I change this one to marriage, put marriage here. The formula I'm going to change it. Marriage is on which column number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to put 12 here. You can see for Alaska, the number of marriage, Alaska, number of marriage there is 5361. Same thing, that's how it goes. Very easy. So this was VLOOKUP, that's vertical lookup. Now, if you want to do that of horizontal lookup, you just come here. Now this one has to be maybe now we are looking for data that are horizontally arranged. Where we have all this feed, the feed now come, we as row. The feed here are they are in column, the labels are in column, but when they are now in row, so I've transposed this data. Transpose it here. You can see now here what I did here. I can just, because this is long, maybe too long is where I would prefer using this place. You can use this place or to have uniformity, but there's nothing wrong. I can use this place. I can say okay, state. Let me just copy state. Now I want to pick the bounds. I did the right time. Now I want to pick and start with the California again. Okay. Now what's going to be the formula? So instead of writing, because these are in rows, so it's going to be HLOOKUP. See, so now the column index number for population of urban here is not column, it's row. The row index number now where I want this California is where California is B17. Then the table array, and just cover that. Yes. You can see. Then we put a comma. Next one there is the row index number, and that is the row here for population of urban is 9. Row 9. This is it. Then approximate match is true. Exact match is what I want, that is false. So the same thing, California population here is that. Let's check. California here is, you can see. So the same thing here, the same thing. So that's how you go about it. If you change this, you can change it. Change this one to maybe region. Change this one to region. Already I've put state here, but I want to pick another state. Then pick another state. Georgia. You can see Georgia is what's the population of urban there? 3409081. That's how we make use of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So this one is HLOOKUP. See, why this is VLOOKUP. Depends on the choice of that is dependent on how the table is arranged. If it's horizontal, we use HLOOKUP. If it's vertical, we use VLOOKUP. Thanks for watching.